Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to show the hidden items in our drives. So for this, we just need to go to our folders. This is our folder and this is my C drive and C local disk. So I just need to check the hidden files in this folder. It's very simple and very easy. We just need to go to this view button, click on this, and there is a box written in the hidden item. As you can also see, it shows that show hidden files and the folders that are marked as a hidden. So for this, we just simply need to click on the hidden, and here you can see these are all the hidden folders that are not easily shown to us. These are hide. So it's very simple. You simply just go to the view, and if you want to hide this folder, just click on this check. So this is a very easy thing. We just simply need to check the items from the view. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye.